Dwarf Hairgrass comes in two forms. I will put both names up on the screen here now. It is Eliocharis parvula and Eliocharis acularis, and it's of course a freshwater plant. Now in nature you're going to be able to find these in a large variety of places: North America, South America, Europe, and Asia. So 4 of the 7 continents you can find this plant growing on. It will prefer in the wild shallow waterways with access to lots of light. It's a relatively fast growing carpeting plant when you compare it to other plants in the hobby that are somewhat slower growing, especially with their spreading and propagating across your tank. It will require a moderate to high intensity light and will also benefit from CO2 injections and root tabs just to help it spread faster and get a lower rich green color and a lusher grow to it. Not required, but it is something that will definitely help this grow more so than compared to other plants that don't really necessarily need it. This, I would say, if you have it, use it. If you don't have it, maybe at least use one or the other. It's basically going to look like you're growing grass in the bottom of your tank. Now, it's also going to provide shelter to some of your smaller bottom dwellers. Even Pictus catfish have been known to hide down in this, sleep on it like a little bed, and it will also help oxygenate your water. Also, interesting little side note here, it is a tightly growing plant, so it grows much tighter next to each other than, say, Val, which is going to spread out further. When it shoots its runners out, they're going to be much more tightly compact than other plants that grow this way. So as they come in and carpet the whole bottom of your tank, you will get a nice green color across the whole bottom as it fills out the tank. Since this is a plant, size of your tank really isn't too necessary. You're going to want to more focus on pH, light, and temperature. The smallest tank I've grown it in is a 5-gallon tank, if that says anything. So for pH wise, this plant can go from 6 to 7.5. Anything less than 6 or greater than 7.5. So anything super acidic or super alkaline, you're going to run into some issues there. It's also going to want to be in a soft to moderate hardness, so a KH from 2 to 10. Temperature-wise, again, it's found in a lot of the different continents, so it can go anywhere from 50 degrees upwards of 83. So you got a wide range of temps there. You can do this with cold water fish or warm water fish. And again, for lighting, you're definitely going to want a decent light, something that's going to give it a moderate to high intensity so that it can properly photosynthesize in your tank. Now, it's only going to grow about 6 inches in your tank, and it's going to spread through runners, as mentioned before. So unlike other stem plants, sadly, your clippings are not going to grow little roots and grow for you. This grows through runners only, so you'd have to cut the runner part, pull it out, and propagate it that way. But it grows relatively quick, so you shouldn't have a problem if you wanted to propagate it and sell it. Overall, if you want something that will give you a carpet easily enough without too much extra work, and it's going to give you a lovely green color on the bottom of your tank, and almost make it look like a riverbed, then this is definitely the plant for you. I'm going to go ahead and give these a good 9 out of 10, as I found them extremely easy to grow and propagate without the need for those CO2 injections or too much in the way of root tabs. I would put one in every once in a while, but I wasn't constantly feeding it. So as always, I hope you did enjoy the video. If you did, leave a comment down below. Let me know your experience with Dwarf Hairgrass, if you've grown it, if you thought about it and never picked it up. Of course, leave a like on the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.